Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I post videos every Thursday. In today's video, we will be decluttering, cleaning, and organizing my pantry. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I began by clearing out all the things in the pantry. OMG, my husband and his snacks. Gotta love them. So while cleaning, I was thinking to myself, wow, it's been a while since I have cleaned out this pantry. On my channel, I do cleaning, hauls, and DIY projects. If that's something that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for any upcoming videos. Okay, so while going through this closet or pantry, I can see here that there were a lot of things that I just did not need. And there may have been even some things that had expired. It's so funny how over the months you can accumulate so many things that you place in your pantry. I first started using this multi-surface cleanser, but soon found out that this was not something that was going to work. Look at how dirty this scouring pad is. So I ended up using this baking soda cleanser, and that did the job. This was one stubborn stain, but it did eventually come out. So usually when I am cleaning out a place such as a pantry, I usually have 4 stages. It's decluttering, cleaning, separating, and organizing. Next, I decided to go through all the things that were in the pantry and separate them based off of things that I needed and things that I didn't need. Alright, so it had to have been about 12 o'clock at night. Typically, I like to clean extremely early in the morning, or I like to clean extremely late at night. I get in the mood, and this was one of those days where I just was like, I think I'm going to clean out that pantry. While replacing things in the pantry, I decided that I should take this shelf and place it on the bottom. Eventually, I ended up using wired tiered shelves for organizing. I love using this type of wired shelves because it helps with saving space. These wired shelves were a purchase from the secondhand store about a year ago. Although this pantry may not be Pinterest worthy, it's been decluttered, clean, and organized. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, that you are inspired to do some cleaning around your home. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.